In this tutorial, what we're going to do is look at how you can use your browser to help with some of your mobile learning development. So I have an e-learning course right here, and the course is fully responsive. It's published, and what I want to do is test it out in the browser. So I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to go to Inspect. Now I'm in the Chrome browser, so each browser is going to be a little bit different. And you can see I've got all the gibberish code for the website or e-learning course. We don't really care about that. What we're going to do is come up here where you can see Google or toggle the device toolbar. So we're going to click on that. And now you can see here it's giving me different devices. So I have a drop-down list of some of the more popular devices. So let's say I'm on the Pixel 2 XL. I'm going to get the aspect ratio. So that, to me, that's one thing that's really neat about that. I'll talk about that in a second. And then you can see I can switch between portrait and landscape modes. And then I can see what the device is going to, how it's going to behave on that particular device. The nice thing is I can come down here, I can edit this, and then you'll see there's a whole list of preloaded devices. This is one of the parts that I think is really neat about this. You know, a lot of times you want to build an e-learning course, let's say in Storyline, and you want to build it for a mobile device, but you have to get the aspect ratio and the resolution for the device. Using the Google Chrome browser and doing this, it's a quick way to capture that because somebody already did all that work for you. So you can see if my core audience is, let's say, using the iPhone 10, I've got the aspect ratio for that iPhone 10, which is going to be 375 by 812, or if I switch it, you can see that just switches around. So I can build a Storyline course, for example, with this aspect ratio, and then it should fit pretty nicely on that device. So that's how you would do that in Chrome. There's probably more you can do with that. I would say go ahead and do some research on the internet, and that'll help you out. But just for a quick way to test your course and see what it looks like, and then also get some of these resolutions and aspect ratio, that's a pretty nice deal.